In a world where chaos seems to reign supreme and uncertainty is the only constant, the pursuit of inner strength and resilience becomes paramount. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy founded in Athens around the 3rd century BC, offers timeless wisdom and practical guidance for navigating the challenges of life with grace and fortitude. At its core, Stoicism teaches the cultivation of virtues such as wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice, while advocating for acceptance of what lies beyond our control. In contrast, there are habits ingrained in modern life that weaken our resolve and diminish our capacity to thrive. Let's delve into 8 such habits and explore how embracing Stoic principles can counteract their detrimental effects. Number 1. Seeking external validation. One of the most common habits that weaken us is the incessant need for validation from others. Whether it's seeking approval on social media or constantly craving praise and recognition, this external validation creates a fragile sense of self-worth. Stoicism teaches us to derive our sense of worth from within, focusing on living in accordance with our values rather than seeking validation from external sources. By cultivating self-awareness and self-acceptance, we can break free from the cycle of seeking approval and find true inner strength. Number 2. Indulging in excessive materialism. In a consumer-driven society, it's easy to fall into the trap of equating material possessions with happiness and success. However, the pursuit of wealth and luxury often leads to discontentment and a never-ending desire for more. Stoicism reminds us of the fleeting nature of material wealth and emphasizes the importance of focusing on what is truly essential for a fulfilling life: virtue, wisdom, and meaningful relationships. By practicing gratitude and moderation, we can free ourselves from the grip of materialism and cultivate a deeper sense of fulfillment. Number 3. Avoiding discomfort and challenges. In our quest for comfort and convenience, we often shy away from discomfort and challenges. However, it is through facing adversity that we grow and develop resilience. Stoicism teaches us to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and to cultivate the courage to confront them head-on. By adopting a mindset of resilience and perseverance, we can navigate life's ups and downs with grace and fortitude. Number 4. Dwelling on past regrets. Ruminating on past mistakes and regrets is a common habit that drains our energy and diminishes our sense of self-efficacy. Stoicism encourages us to focus on the present moment and to accept the past with equanimity. Rather than dwelling on what cannot be changed, Stoicism teaches us to learn from our mistakes and to use them as opportunities for growth. By practicing self-compassion and forgiveness, we can free ourselves from the shackles of past regrets and embrace a brighter future. Number 5. Giving in to impulsive reactions. Reacting impulsively to external events is a habit that often leads to regrettable outcomes, whether it's lashing out in anger or succumbing to fear and anxiety. Impulsive reactions undermine our ability to think rationally and act with wisdom. Stoicism teaches us the importance of cultivating emotional resilience and self-control. By practicing mindfulness and pausing before reacting, we can choose our responses thoughtfully and avoid unnecessary conflict and suffering. Number 6. Comparing ourselves to others. The habit of comparing ourselves to others is a surefire way to undermine our self-esteem and breed discontentment. In the age of social media, it's all too easy to fall into the trap of comparing our lives to carefully curated highlight reels. Stoicism reminds us that we each have our own unique path to walk and that comparison only leads to unnecessary suffering. By focusing on our own journey and striving to become the best version of ourselves, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace and fulfillment. Number 7. Worrying about the future. Anxiety. About the future is a habit that robs us of the present moment and saps our energy. Whether it's fretting about what might go wrong or obsessing over worst-case scenarios, worrying about the future is a futile endeavor that only leads to unnecessary suffering. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control and to accept with equanimity that which is beyond it. By practicing mindfulness and staying grounded in the present moment, we can free ourselves from the grip of anxiety and embrace life with courage and optimism. Number 8. Avoiding responsibility. Finally, avoiding responsibility is a habit that weakens us both morally and emotionally. Whether it's shirking accountability for our actions or refusing to take initiative in our lives, avoiding responsibility prevents us from fully realizing our potential. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of taking ownership of our choices and actions, regardless of the circumstances. By embracing responsibility and striving to live with integrity, we can cultivate a sense of self-respect and empowerment that strengthens us in the face of adversity. In conclusion, the pursuit of inner strength and resilience is a lifelong journey that requires conscious effort and dedication. By identifying and challenging these 8 habits that weaken us, and by embracing the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace, purpose, and strength that enables us to thrive in any circumstance. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Let us heed these words and strive to live with courage, wisdom, and resilience each day.